With a mobile truck and trailer cleaning system, there are always two main concerns. One, how is the wastewater handled to ensure no environmental issues? And two, how can we manage and reduce vehicle movements to ensure minimal risk to staff and company assets? Well, there are two solutions, the old way and the new way, which Thor uses. The old way uses very large plastic bunding mats where the vehicles are driven onto for washing. In theory, this is good, but in practice, there are a few significant problems. Firstly, the mat system only holds water as long as the cleaner doesn't accidentally step on or drag a hose over the bunding walls, as this will cause wastewater to breach the wall. Secondly, this system is extremely dangerous for personnel who are walking on a slippery, soapy plastic surface. And thirdly, this system requires multiple vehicle movements, again on a slippery surface, creating a risk for personnel and assets being moved from yard to wash area. Thor's risk management rolling system effectively removes all these problems. We simply place our Auspill certified stormwater drain seal mats over the drains, which are always located in the specific low-lying areas of your yard. These watertight vacuum seals prevent any water from entering the stormwater system and create a pooled catchment area. We then clean and move from parked vehicle to parked vehicle in a systemised process, no vehicle movement required, no slippery surface to walk on. As we move down the line, we vacuum the wastewater up from the low-lying areas, process and clean it on board our mobile truck unit, removing chemicals, grease and hydrocarbons, making it ready for discharge. The Thor rolling system is faster, greener and best of all, it's risk managed, ensuring your site is a safer working environment.